Sri Gurupyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekaleva. See, this is 10th standard state board chapter 5 exercise 5.2. Before we enter into the chapter, we should know about the slope. What is slope? Slope means steep of a line, a steep of a line. Okay, the best way is view about the slope is nothing but a change in y-axis, that is slope equal to change in y-axis and by change in x-axis, change in y-axis by change in x-axis, change in y-axis by change in x-axis. Okay, see this diagram. See, here dolls are hanging like this. Here dolls are hanging like this. Here dolls are hanging different lines tilted at various angles. The different lines are tilted at various angles. See, this is the greatest slope. Because it tilt, the slope level is high. It is a greatest slope. This is nothing but a greatest slope, and this is nothing but a smallest slope. This is nothing but a greatest slope, and this is nothing but a smallest slope. Different lines are tilted at various angles in this. Okay, so if you see the axis, x-axis, y-axis, if you see the axis, see, this is a slope. This is one point and this is another point. Both are in positive direction. Okay, this is a slope. If it is like this parallel, the slope is 0. The slope is equal to 0. If it is perpendicular, the slope equal to undefined. The slope is undefined. Why? Slope is nothing but tan theta. Slope is nothing but tan theta. Slope equal to tan theta. Tan 0 value equal to 0 and tan 90 degree value is equal to undefined. The line is parallel. If the line is parallel to the negative direction of y-axis, the line is parallel to the negative direction of y-axis is slope equal to, the line is parallel to negative direction. The line is parallel to negative direction of The line is parallel to negative direction of x-axis. So what is the value of theta? Theta equal to 180 degree. The line is parallel to positive direction. The line is parallel to positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. The line is parallel to positive direction of x-axis. Then theta equal to 0 degree. If theta equal to 90 degree, the slope is what? Undefined. The slope is undefined. See, m equal to slope of the line, m equal to tan theta. What is the another name for slope? Gradient. Slope is nothing but a gradient of the line. Slope is nothing but a gradient of the line. Okay, so slope of the line through 2 points, 2 Cartesian points, that is x1, y1 and x2, y2 and x2, y2. So what is the slope? m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or you will write y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. M equal to, either you can choose y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 or y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2. If the slopes are parallel, if the slopes are parallel, so what is the value of the two slopes? M1 equal to M2. M1 equal to M2. If the slopes are perpendicular, M1 the product of the slopes equal to -1, that is M1 into M2 equal to -1. The product of the slopes equal to -1. See the first sum. What is the slope of the line whose inclination with positive direction? Positive direction means 0 degree is, it is positive 0, tan 0. If it is negative direction means 0 degree means you can take it as the theta value as 180 degree. See, what is the slope of the line whose inclination with positive direction of x-axis? 90 degree. What is the value of m? If degree is given, 90 degree is given, the theta value is given, you can choose m equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta. So m equal to tan, what is the value of theta here? Theta equal to 90 degree. What is tan 90 degree? You studied in the 9th standard itself. What is tan 90? It is undefined. M equal to undefined. M equal to undefined. Then you move on to 0 degree. The same way, m equal to tan theta. Check, this is positive direction. Positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. M equal to tan 0. You are getting the value m equal to 0. Because when you are getting the value of tan 0 equal to 0. Suppose the question is asking like this, it is negative direction means the theta value equal to 180 degree. The theta equal to 180 degree. M equal to tan 0, m equal to 0. See here, whose slope? They are given the slope value. In the first one, they are given the theta value. But in the second one, they are given the slope value. See, m equal to 0. M equal to 0. Slope value they have given. You should find out the theta value. M is nothing but what? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to 0. In the tabular column, trigonometric tabular column, when you are getting the value of 0, tan 0 equal to 0. Because theta value equal to 0. You can compare these two values. Theta value equal to 0. The same way, see the second one, slope, m equal to 1. What is m? Tan theta. Tan theta equal to 1. When you are getting the value 1 in tan theta, it's correct, 45 degree. Tan 45 degree equal to 1. So what is the value of theta? Theta equal to 45 degree. Theta value equal to 45 degree. See the third sum. Find the slope of the line joining the points 5 comma root 5 with the origin. What is that meaning for origin? Origin is nothing but 0 comma 0. So you can take it this 2 points 5 comma root 5 and 0 comma 0. Slope of the line. Slope of the line when 2 points are given. When 2 points are given, what is the formula? M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So m equal to, what is y2 value? 0 minus y1 value is root 5 by x2 is 0 minus 5. or you can choose it as y1 minus y2 by x1 minus x2 also. So it gives minus root 5 by minus 5, minus get cancelled, m equal to root 5 by, that 5 you can make it as what, root 5 into root 5, root 5 into root 5 into root 5, root 5 get cancelled. So what is the value of m? 1 by root 5. The value of m is 1 by root 5. Now you move on to the second sum. What is the second one? Sin theta minus cos theta and minus sin theta cos theta. You can take it as this is x1, this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. Then m equal to slope of the line. Slope of the line, m equal to, what is the formula? y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, m equal to y2 is nothing but cos theta minus y1. Whenever minus come, you can put a bracket, it is safe for you, minus cos theta. Okay, by, what is the next one? x2 is minus sin theta minus, what is the value of x1? Sin theta. So it gives m equal to cos theta plus cos theta. Minus into minus become plus cos theta by minus sin theta is minus 2 sin theta. So cos theta plus cos theta is nothing but 2 cos theta by minus 2 sin theta. 2 get cancelled. What is the trigonometric value of cos theta by sin theta? As it's clear, m equal to cos theta by sin theta is minus cot theta. See the fourth sum. What is the slope of the line perpendicular to the line joining the 2 points? What are the points they have given? A 5, 1 and P. But we should find out the value of P. See, P is the midpoint of the segment joining 4, 2 and minus 6, 4. P is the midpoint of, what are the 2 points they are given in the question? 4, 2 and minus 6, 4. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So P equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So you can take it as this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. So P equal to 4 minus 6 by 2, y1 2 plus 4 by 2. So it gives P equal to minus 2 by 2 and 6 by 2. When you cancel this term, what is the value of P we are getting now? P equal to minus 1, 3. Now you move on to find out the slope of the line. Slope of the line perpendicular to the line joining A and P. First you should find out the slope of the line. Slope of the line AP. Slope of the line AP. What is the value of A? A is 5, 1. A value is 5, 1. P value is minus 1, 3. M equal to slope. M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So M equal to y2 is 3 minus y1 is 1 by. Next x2 is minus 1. x2 is minus 1, x1 is 5. Already minus is there, so minus 5. So M equal to 2 by minus 6. What is the value of m? M equal to minus 1 by 3. M equal to minus 1 by 3. So slope m equal to minus 1 by 3. Now you should find out the slope of the line perpendicular to. So perpendicular slope. What is perpendicular slope? Perpendicular slope equal to minus 1 by m. Perpendicular slope equal to minus 1 by m. You know very well m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So one slope equal to minus 1 by the another slope. So it gives perpendicular slope minus 1 by, what is the value of m? Minus 1 by 3. So it cancel. So perpendicular slope equal to, it reciprocal that value, the value is equal to 3. Perpendicular slope equal to 3. See the fifth sum, show that the given points are collinear. The 3 points they have given, minus 3, 4, minus 3, minus 4, 7, 2 and 12, 5. So you can take it as the point as A point is minus 3, minus 4 and B is 7, 2 and C is 12, 5. First you should find out the slope of AB. Slope of AB. You know the formula. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 equal by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. What are the 2 points we have taken? A and B. You can write as this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. So slope m equal to y2. y2 is 2 minus y1. Whenever minus comes, you take it as minus of that value. You put a bracket. Minus y1 by x2. x2 is 7 minus 3. Minus 3. You can take it as this is m1. Okay. So m1 equal to 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4. Minus into minus become plus 4 by 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. M1 equal to 6 by 10. M1 equal to 6 by 10. When you cancel, what is the value? 3 by 5. M1 equal to 3 by 5. Next you should find out slope of BC. Slope of BC. What is the value of B? B value is 7, 2 and C value is 12, 5. B value is 7, 2 and C value is 12, 5. You mark it as this is x1, y1 and this is x2 and y2. You should find out the slope. The same formula we can apply here. M2 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what is the value of y2? y2 is 5. y1 is minus 2 by x2. x2 is 12. What is the value of x1? 7. So the answer is what? 3 by 5. M1 value and M2 value are equal. M1 value and M2 value are equal. So slope of AB equal, because both the values are equal, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. When the two values are equal, the slopes are parallel. Therefore, AB and BC are parallel. Therefore, AB and BC are parallel. Here B is the common point. B is the common point. Therefore, the values are parallel and B is the common point. Therefore, ABC form a collinear. ABC forms a collinear. See? If the 3 points 3, minus 1, a, 3 and 1, minus 3 are collinear, find the value of a. So you should find out the slope of AB and slope of BC. If the slopes are equal, then one point is a common, then it is a collinear, it forms a collinear. So the points are collinear. It is given already. It is a collinear. If the points are collinear, you should find out the value of A. See here, you can take it as A is 3 comma minus 1 and B is A comma 3 and C point is 1 comma minus 3. First you should find out slope of AB. Slope of AB. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So what is the formula? M1 you can take it as M1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So M1 equal to y2. What is the value of y2? 3. 3 minus of minus 1. 3 minus of minus 1 by A minus 3. So it gives M1 equal to 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 by A minus 3. A minus 3. Next, you should find out slope of BC. Slope of BC. What is the point of B? B equal to A comma 3. What is the point of C? 1 comma minus 3. C point is 1 comma minus 3. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So slope of BC. Slope of BC M2 equal to. Slope of BC M2 equal to y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 3 minus y1 is minus 3. y2 minus y1. x2 value is 1 minus A. x1 value is minus A. If it is collinear, it is given it is collinear. Given it is collinear. If it is collinear, given it is collinear. It is collinear. So M1 equal to M2. M1 equal to M2. Given it is collinear, M1 equal to M2. What is M1 value? 3 plus 1 by A minus 3 equal to M2 is minus 3 is minus 6 by 1 minus A. So minus 6 by 1 minus A. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 4 by A minus 3 equal to minus 6 by 1 minus A. Minus 6 by 1 minus A. Cross multiplication. Do the cross multiplication. 4 into 1 minus A equal to minus 6 into A minus 3. So 4 minus 4A equal to minus 6A plus 18. Minus 6A plus 18. So you bring that 6A to this side, that is left hand side. It gives 6A minus 4A equal to 18. That 4 you brings to the right hand side. 18 minus 4. That is 2A. 2A equal to 14. What is the value of A? A equal to 14 by 2. It gives 7. See the seventh sum. The line through the points. 2 points they have given. Minus 2 comma A and 9 comma 3 and as slope of minus 1 by 2. First you should find out the slope of these 2 points. Slope of minus 2 comma A and 9 comma 3. Slope of minus 2 comma A and 9 comma 3. This is x1, this is y1 and this is x2 and this is y2. You can take it as m1 equal to. M1 equal to what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. m1 equal to y2. 3 minus y1 is A by x2 is 9 minus of minus 2. Minus of minus 2. It gives 3 minus A by 9 plus 2. Then already the value is given, slope of minus 1 by 2. You can take it as m2 equal to. You can take it as m2 equal to minus 1 by 2. Slope m2 equal to minus 1 by 2. You know very well, the line slopes are equal. See, slope of minus 1 by 2, the slope. So you can take it as m1 equal to m2. Find the value of a. So 3 minus a by 9 plus 2 is 11 equal to minus 1 by 2. See, this value equal to, they have given as a slope value is minus 1 by 2. So I can take it as this value is m1 and this value is m2. Okay, I mentioned as this value because what is the meaning for this? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, the slope equal to minus 1 by 2. What is the value of y2 minus y1 by 3 minus a by 11 equal to minus 1 by 2. I have taken, I have assumed that this value is equal to m1 and this value is equal to m2. So do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, what is the value we are getting now? 2 into 3 minus a equal to minus 11. Multiply inside the 2 value, what is the value we are getting? 6 minus 2a equal to minus 11. 6 minus 2a equal to minus 11. See here, minus 2a equal to minus 11 minus 6. Minus 2a equal to minus 11 minus 6. Minus 2a equal to minus 17. Minus minus get cancelled. What is the value of a? 17 by 2. The value of a equal to 17 by 2. I hope you understood, children. Thank you very much.